going on, guys? Happy Sunday. Good to see all the familiar faces in here. Keith, Kennedy, Waterfly, Creighton, Drunk Bear. What's going on, guys? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? It's a hot day over here today. Bitcoin kind of did nothing this weekend, but maybe we can get some juicy price action going to the weekly close, baby. Let's get it. Yo, what's going on, Nola? Teju, what's up, man? JW, I see you. Calling a W pattern here. Let's see what happens, man. Happy Sunday, guys. You guys smack up that like button for your boy on this beautiful, beautiful Sunday. That would be great. But other than that, guys, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Maybe I'll peek in here during the finger song, you know? I know you guys love the finger song. See you guys in a bit. Some fingers, but I want chicken fingers. No, not fingers down my spine. I want chicken fingers down my throat. Come on, man. Yo, what's going on, everyone? Happy weekly close. Let's get it, man. We're hopefully getting some price action on the close today. Kind of a boring weekend overall. I went back and, man, since Friday, we really didn't do much here. You guys can see the cursor on the screen. We didn't really do jack squat here all weekend. Just up and down, up and down, up and down. I didn't really do any trading this weekend. Actually, I did on, I think, what was it, on Friday? And I lost a trade and I was pretty pissed off. But other than that, hey, I didn't really do too much trading this weekend. Couldn't really do much, right? Bitcoin wasn't doing anything. Kind of going up, down, up, down, up, down. Wiggly, wiggly, woo. Let's see what we got today on the weekly close, man. Guys, we can smack up that like button. Let's freaking get started here. Let's get busy, man. No. Java, I want the chicken fingers. Jordan, we don't want fingers down the spine. We literally just want chicken fingers. That's it. God, man, where's the chicken fingers? No, I want chicken fingers. Get them off my spine. Put them in here. Come on. They look so good. No, Bob, get away from me. I don't want your fingers down my spine. No. I don't think that's what they think they meant, man. We got a little different angle going on. It's kind of throwing me off right in the beginning of the stream here. We got a different angle. Bob and Jabba want chicken fingers, but they don't know that the song is not talking about chicken fingers, man. They don't know it's a very, very sensual song. We got 111 likes. Let's freaking get it. Love, we got the 111. 111. The lucky numbers in there. What's going on, Sherry? What's up, Rod? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, Beth? M1, what's up, man? There are a lot of kids watching my streams. I think there is a lot of kids watching my streams, man. Hey, at the end of the day, I think we're all kids. We're all kids at heart, you know? At the end of the day, so there's nothing wrong with being a kid. All right. I like what I'm seeing so far today. A little more enthusiasm in the chat than Friday. I do like it. I got a little, I think I got a little tan this weekend, by the way, guys. And let me know in the chat if you think I got a little bit tan. I think I did. What's up, Tasia? We said looking good. Thank you, man. I appreciate you, bro. I can't put the song in timeout. No, you can't. You can't. All right. You guys want me to change the song at the end of the stream? We'll discuss some song choices at the end of the stream. You got a deal. All right. So if you stick around till like 8:30, we'll talk about song choices. All right. So let's jump in. Guys, really all weekend Bitcoin was just, man. Bitcoin was just. I mean, if you go like to the 4-hour chart. So the weekend started about right here. We just kind of chopped up, down, up, down, up, down. Really didn't do much, but. Could we be seeing, we're at an interesting point right now because Bitcoin has broken, if we look over here, Bitcoin's broken this trend line that I had here that I was watching to see if we could continue up. We did break that trend line, but we're not really seeing the huge follow through from this move, right? So we're not seeing the true follow through, the true panic from this move just yet. You guys can see Bitcoin broke this trend line. And we also have Ethereum that's a little bit, gives a little bit more clues here. You guys can see Ethereum. We had this big rising wedge on ETH that did also break to the downside too. You guys can see it broke it, came back up, back tested, and now is continuing down. Now, we're going to talk about how we need to see what happens here within the next couple hours, man, because we know we got the weekly close. We know shenanigans can happen on the weekly close, man. You know. Shenanigans? I like shenanigans. That means good long and short opportunities. I am so long right now. You guys know I long resistance. Yeah, I went long today on this yellow candle right here. This is where I went long. Yeah, I'm down like 99% right now. But it doesn't matter. We're going to the friggin' moon. That's what George said. Okay? There's going to be no manipulation right now. The whales are taking a break. All right. Bye, guys. I think we're at an interesting point, okay? We're at a very interesting point. Guys, let me know if you bought in this yellow candle right here. It is what it is. We all do it. We all do it before, guys. All right? But Ethereum might give us some clues. We'll go back to check Ethereum very, very, very shortly here, man. All right? So, let's go back to, say, let's go back to like the 4-hour chart, right? 4-hour chart. We did break down for Bitcoin too. We had this uptrending support line. We did break down. Looks like we tried to get back above it, but we got resistance. Now we're looking to get rejected and come back down. Now, there's an interesting point because I'll see a lot of people calling this a W formation, all right? And it's not quite confirmed yet, guys, but I see a lot of people saying that Bitcoin's going to get a double bottom here. We're going to continue up, which, hey, listen, that's kind of what Bitcoin's been doing lately. It's been breaking down from these patterns here and then actually pouncing. So a lot of people say there's a W formation here. Once again, in order for it to be confirmed, it's got to come back up and break the neckline here at like 21,856, man. All right, it's going to come back up and break that. So let's once again see what happens. All right, but man, interesting point for Bitcoin because we've seen a couple of these rising wedges break down pretty recently. If we go back in the past, we did have one right here. If you guys remember this one, a little bit shorter of a time frame, but this one broke to the downside. And we also had, what was the other one? There was another one over here that did break to the downside too. Was it back a little bit? I can't remember where it was. But you guys know we looked at a couple rising wedges that did break to the downside pretty recently. So let's watch this. This is more for ETH, and it's giving me a little bit clues on more about what Bitcoin's going to do. Because Bitcoin, look at Bitcoin. It's all friggin' over the place. It's like pop, 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 pop. Literally all over the place, man. You have the bulls and bears just fighting over everything, man. There's literally fighting over everything. There's no volume. There is no volume, man. There's no volume coming in at the highs. You know how this works, guys. There's literally no volume. There's no volume on this pump. We are sitting right at resistance, and there is literally zero volume on this freaking pump. Jimmy, get your freaking plunger out of here. We are not going to the moon. Mike, shut up. Strap up. We are going to the moon, Mike. Strap the frig up. We are going to the moon. Come on, man. Be on my side. I'm Jimmy with the $500 stimmy, man. We are going straight to the moon. All right? Don't listen to Crypto Curvy. We're going to the moon. But yeah, I mean, we're just chill right now, man. So right at the highs. All right, right at the highs. What's up, Kennedy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you, man. Holy moly. It's freaking hot over here, bro. What's going on, Machinist? Appreciate the kind words in the chat. Kennedy said, bro, I missed profits like 5 times this weekend. I found alts above the 50 EMA in the 4 hour before the micro breakout this weekend. Greed kept me from selling high and buying low. Yeah, man, greed is worse than fear. I did the same thing on an ETH trade on Friday, man. I was up a decent amount, and I let it ride, and it bounced right back up. And I was like, I'm not going to put my stop loss in profit. Bounced right back up, and I ended the trade in a loss. So, hey, we all do it. I'm still, hey, man, I told you, I'm still learning about not being greedy too. And we all kind of do it, man. We all kind of do it. So you can't win in every trade. You just move on to the next one, man. That's why you're set stop losses, and keep your losses small, okay? Don't be losing a shitload of money on one trade. It's not worth it. There's always another trade the next day. There's always another trade the next hour, right? There's no point in staying in a small trade, you know? All right. So, but yeah, that's a good message, man. I mean, we got to make sure we're not getting greedy, all right? So definitely true. All right. Anyways, guys, let's go to like the 1 hour. It's not really, like I said, guys, there's not really much going on here on the short-term time frames just yet that I'm watching for. I did have this short-term trend line here, right here, guys. I had the short-term trend line on, say, the 1 hour time frame that I was watching, where we did have 1 hit, 2 hits, 3 hits, 4 hits, 5 hits. Looks like we were breaking it last hour, right before 7 o'clock. Looks like we're going to wick down, but it looks like we came right back up and closed above it. Now looks like we're trying to break it again. So let's see what happens in the short term. If this breaks, I'm looking for 20,900 here in the short term for Bitcoin to go to. Looks like we might be coming back down right now as we speak. So let's see what happens, man. Jimmy wouldn't get mad at Mike. He diehard stimmy. Wait, what? No, man. In order for us to get stimmies, we need volume on the money printers, man. So Jimmy would get mad because right now we don't have volume on the money printers, if you know what I mean, man. Yeah, we'll look at some altcoins in a little bit, my guys. Right? We'll look at altcoins in a little bit. All right, let's see, man. Let's see. All right, just checking ETH. ETH's at 1212. All right. Let's look at some longer term time frame stuff, because we know we have the weekly chart, guys. So we know what we're looking for on the short term time frames. Let me actually just get rid of this, man. Let me get rid of this. All right. There we go. I sometimes this gets blurry, man. I need to get a new camera, bro. But we know what we're looking at for the short term time frames. Looking for a continuation down after breaking the trend line. All right. If Bitcoin can get a W formation here, right, bounce back up, break the neckline here, all right, it could go up higher. That's what we're watching short-term time frames. All right, stock RSI is not really telling us much. We do have lower to go on the 4-hour stock RSI here. We do have lower to go. We're curling back down on the 1 hour time frame, so we could go a little bit lower on the 1 hour. And 15-minute, trying to curl back up, but it's still got a little bit more room to run to the downside too. So, all in all, if we go to, say, the weekly time frame, guys, it doesn't look like we're going to get that close above the 200 SMA, man. Unfortunately, bro. Unfortunately, we're not getting that close above the 200 SMA. This is actually going to be the only time in Bitcoin's history, guys. I will say it, man. I will say it. All right, real quick.
Rant alert.
This is going to be the only time in Bitcoin's history that we have gotten 2 consecutive weekly closes below the 200 SMA. That's crazy. That's crazy. We are witnessing history as we speak. I know it doesn't seem like it. It seems kind of weird to say that, actually, but we are actually witnessing history when it comes to that, man. It's quite crazy, man. We've never seen 2 weekly closes below 200 SMA. It's nuts. It's absolutely freaking nuts. Our Vikings are dying right now, man. Bulls, we must fight them back before the weekly close. This is our only chance to push the price back up. If we close below the 200 SMA again, we are absolutely screwed on Monday, and it will be a bloody, bloody Monday for all of us in the chart. So fight back. Do not let them do this to us. This is ridiculous. Me and George are the only bulls left. Fight. Push them back. I don't think anyone's even fighting anymore. But anyways, if we do get that, it's going to be definitely interesting there. Definitely interesting. Till we get that. First time Bitcoin enters into recession. Facts. Absolutely facts, my guy. What else do I want to look at here? What was it? Was it this? Oh yeah, guys, real quick. This actually has got me very, very interested because we know there's a pi cycle top. We talked about this on Friday, and we're getting very, very close to this, guys. We know there's a pi cycle top indicator. If you guys don't know what the pi cycle top is, it's basically when two moving averages. I forget the exact moving averages, but 2 moving averages cross together. It's called every single top. It's called the top in April 2021. It's another reason why I think this was a little bit of a false top. This was kind of a, I don't want to say the price is always manipulated. So I think it's case to say this manipulated price to the upside. Manipulated price to the upside. But the price is always manipulated. Jordan, did you just say manipulation? Manipulation? No! Jordan! I love how he says Jordan. Jordan! We cannot see manipulation in crypto. There must be regulation. Where is the regulation? Oh, Lord. But no. We know we have the pi cycle top. It's called every single top here, right? 2017, 21. And we saw it all the way back here in 2013, actually. Thought it was 2014, actually. It was 2013. So we also have the pi cycle bottom, which is called this bottom here, all right? It's called this bottom right here on the absolute perfectly, right? January 13, 2015, that called the absolute bottom there on the cross, right? We go back to the upside when these 2 moving averages crossed here. That called the exact bottom when these 2 crossed right here, all right? On December 16, 2018. This is no joke. This is no joke, and I'm not going to discount this time because I did it last time, and I said, there's no way it's going to work. I was Bob. I was literally Bob last time, and I'm the one who said it wasn't going to work. I am not going to say that this time, man. I am not going to hop on the stream and say, pi cycle bottom? We're in a friggin' recession. This is not going to work. Did you see the pi cycle top? It's the most shitty indicator ever. Okay? We are in a recession. You can't use a moving averages to call the bottom. You friggin' idiot. Listen, I get it. But it's called the bottom the last 2 times. It's called the top the last 2 times. Okay? These are set to cross again. I will say this again, guys. This could be a very, very interesting next 2 weeks for BTC. These are set to cross again, assuming that the price doesn't absolutely pump to the upside like crazy or dump to the downside like crazy. These are set to cross on July 6th. Okay, so 2 days after 4th of July. Will we get 4th of July fireworks? And not the good fireworks. Okay? Will we see the macro bottom on July 6th? If we do, here, guys, if we see the bottom on July 6th, I am never doubting the pi cycle top or the pi cycle bottom ever again. Okay? I will not do it ever again if we see the bottom coming on July 6th, man. All right? You guys can see them right here. They're about to converge. Will we see fireworks? All right? On or before, it's got to be July 6th. That's when the bottom is spent. All right? It's been the bottom is spent. Sometimes I have a lisp, man. There's nothing wrong with people who have lists. Sometimes I go Ethereum Classic, man. Ethereum freaking Classic. I love Ethereum Classic. I actually do sometimes have a lisp myself, so I guess it's okay for me to say that. Every indicator works until it doesn't. Facts, man. Drew said my birthday is then. Nice, Drew. Drew, what are you doing for your birthday, man? Guys, everyone who's already had their birthday this year, what did you do for your birthday? I'm curious what you guys did for your birthday. Some people don't like to do shit. Some people like to go like, oh my God, woo, woohoo, right? Some people like to hop on and you know how this works, man. Here we go. Some people like to hop on and do this. Where's my girl? Where's my girl? There she is. Hold up. Hold on. Oh my God, yeah! Yeah! It's my birthday, bitch! Oh my God, I'm 45! Let's party! Yeah! Yeah! Champagne on me, baby! Woohoo! Yeah! Oh, you're not gonna buy me a drink? It's my birthday. Fuck you! Oh, Lord. What are you guys doing on your birthday? Let me know. Let me know what you guys did or are going to do on your birthday. You guys know how that works, man. Oh, Lord. Sleep? It's just another day. Girls turn into a birthday week. Facts, man. For my birthday, I don't really care what I do. It's going to be a birthday week for girls. It's very true. Why do I hear this like weird whispering on my computer? Guys, if there's some weird thing that pops up in my computer, I apologize. It's not me. I don't know what it is. But guys, we got the Pi Cycle Bottom coming in on July 6th. So that's what I'm watching here. I mean, you guys know what we're doing right now. And I want to be honest, man. We look at the daily chart. Guys, we're not doing anything that we haven't done before. Okay? I know everyone's excited. You know, the bottom is in. Woohoo, woohoo, woohoo. Right? The bottom is in. Right? We're never going back down lower. But listen, like I said, guys, where's my daily chart? We're not doing anything we haven't done before. Right? Look at the price action we're getting, man. You know, we're coming up in, you know, what most would say, you know, at least at the moment, is typically a bearish pattern. You know what I'm saying? So let's stay vigilant again. I mean, we're not doing anything we haven't done before. All right, which is we dump, we consolidate sideways, slash up a little bit, and then we dump again. All right. It's what we've done every single consolidation. And that's not me trying to just be a Debbie Downer. It's just on Twitter, I'm just seeing a lot of people getting uber bullish right now. When in the macro, nothing has changed yet. Okay, when something has changed, all right, cool, but nothing's changed in the big picture. You know, we dumped, consolidation, dumped. Nothing's changed, man. So until that happens, everything that I look at shows that we still could go lower, man. We got the capitulation flash for the hash rate. When we do get that flash, it typically means, that, you know, you're going to see capitulation there, which we already did, right? We already saw a big move to the downside. We saw some miners capitulate. We looked at that last time. I think I actually have it right here. Yeah, we had the miners capitulate a little bit there. Could they need to capitulate more? Sure. All right, sure. It is what it is, though. By the way, guys, screw you, baby. I love this. I love when Bob just comes on and flips people off. That's literally the best, man. Handleton said we need Jabba. Oh, Lord, man. Jabba's waiting for a short opportunity, man. Right now, I think he's actually shorting ETH. Let's go see what Jabba's doing in his room. Yes! Look at Ethereum! A bearish wedge! And all these bulls are getting so pumped! Look at them! This is such a textbook bearish pattern. Yeah, everyone on Twitter's going, oh my god, look at Bitcoin, it's going to the moon. This is so obvious. You got Crypto Rover, what an idiot, saying Bitcoin's gonna pump. This is so freaking obvious. We've done this so many times. Guys, we're gonna dump. Put in your shorts now. Okay, I'm gonna eat my Chinese food real quick. Hodlings for pussies, by the way. Alright, we're gonna dump again. Time to party, man. Time to party. Get your socks ready. Come on, man. Come on. Oh, Lord. Alright. I'm done. Jabba's smart as ever. Jabba is smart. Remember when we all thought Jabba used to be dumb? Now he's smart, man. Now he's smart. All right. Let's get back to some TNA. What are the futures looking like? I looked at futures earlier. They started red. Let me actually just refresh futures real quick. Slightly down, not too much to take yet. I mean, they just recently came up here. So NASDAQ's down 0.2 points, S&P down 0.2. You know, we'll see where we are in the morning with these, because as we know, this could change. Like we could be in the green tomorrow. So let's continue to watch those. We'll look at more of that in the morning. Anything really pump over the weekend? Let's refresh our crypto bubbles. We know we love the crypto bubbles here, man. We love the crypto bubbles. All right. The bull flag. Oh Lord. Luna Classics up today. That's how you know. That's how you know what's wrong with this market. Luna Classics up today. Doge. I think this is the last 24 hours. Yeah. Luna, Doge. It's really it, man. Nothing else is up that much. ETC, ApeCoin. That's about it. Anything pumping the last hour? Let's see. Let's see what we got, man. Everything's red in the last hour. There's not one coin that is green in the last hour. Nice. Nice, man. That makes it super, super nice. All right, look at this red. It's like satisfying that everything's red. It would be more satisfying if everything was green, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Let's see. Monkey is the only thing. True. What's going on, T? Yeah, we'll look at some altcoins and stuff coming up in a second, man. And by the way, guys, we got the cutoff T today. It used to be good luck, so I'm hoping the cutoff T is a little bit of good luck, man. I hope so. Meme coins are up. All garbage coins are up. True. So you know it's bad when all the coins are green. Or sorry, red.
Jordan thought on which coins will get red. We'll pump them up with big money back.
All right, guys.
Also, do you think the silly JPEG NFT?
Let's see. Let's go back to ETH. So like I said, guys, ETH is the most telling thing to me right now. ETH is just in the most classic rising wedge formation that you could possibly make on the 4-hour time frame. I will say, right, if it's going to dump, I want to see it do it relatively soon. The ETH price action is a little bit more clean to me than Bitcoin. That's why I want to look at it here, because it's just so clean, man. You had the dump, you had the retrace, retest, and now you're looking to move back lower. Here's the thing, guys. If we want to see this dump, I want to see it happen sooner rather than later, right? Because look at it. We got the 4-hour stock RSI that's getting relatively low here. If we're going to dump, I want to see it do it within the next couple 4-hour candles. Okay, if we just kind of sit here and kind of go sideways here, I think there's more of a chance that we could actually rise back up to the upside. So if we are dump, I want to see it within the next couple 4-hour candles. So we can kind of rise back down, then maybe rise back up a little bit, retest, and then continuation down as this kind of resets back to the upside, right? So that's what I'm watching on ETH here. Nothing really else to say besides that. The target's back down at the lows. Is it going to go all the way back down there? The last couple rising wedges haven't gone all the way back down to hit the target. I'd say, obviously the first target we're looking at is right back here in this region. This is where you want to probably hold support if it does drop. Is like this previous low coming in right here at about 1,050, right in that range, man. All right. So that is Captain Ethereum. Let's see what else we got, man. Let's look at Solana. Holy moly, we're refreshing. Okay, we're doing this. We are doing this. All right, let's see what some of you guys said in the chat here before we jump on into these. Thoughts of a long at 20,500 or breaking lower? 20,500? Hey, man. Everyone has different strategies, so I don't like telling people where to put longs and shorts. Everyone has different strategies, man. At 20,500, so right here, I would want to ask why 20,500. I would want to ask you why 20,500. You know what I'm saying? Unless I'm missing some type of support level there, or some reason why you'd want to go there. Yeah, I don't know, man. It's up to you. I would say 20,500 does have some yellow vector candles looking left here. So, I mean, you have this yellow vector candle here about 20,500. So that could be a point of interest, right? Other than that, there's not a ton price action that I see in that range that I look for. But, it is what it is. Oh, Fibonacci level? Okay, that makes sense. That makes a ton of sense. I was like, why 20,500? That's such a random number. Let's see. Let's take the swing low to the swing high here. 20,500. Okay, so yeah, so that's the golden pocket zone. Thank you. That makes a lot more sense, man. That makes a lot more sense. Yeah, you actually got your golden pocket there, and you actually got the bottom yellow vector candle also here that you can come back down and take. That's slightly lower than the 0.65 fib. So that could be an area to look for sure. For sure. You know, it's not my setups that I'd normally go for, but if you want to trade off Fibonacci levels, I mean, the golden pocket's definitely the one to go for. So, yeah, I see what you're saying. There's just not enough confluence there. If I was to look at this, I would want to see more confluence looking left, because there's not a lot. If you extend this out, right, there's not a lot of support or resistance at that general level either. I would like to see some confluence there, right? You kind of just have price action cutting through that level, you know? So that's the way I look at it. I mean, listen, everyone has different strategies. I'm not going to judge anyone the way they trade, you know? Everyone's different. What's going on, Kenny? Let's get this 200 MA. History doesn't always repeat, but it rhymes. Let's freaking go. I know, man. We are, guys, hold on. I'm blurry right now. But we are making history today. This is the first time in Bitcoin history that we can have a weekly close 2 times in a row below the 200-week moving average, man. It's absolutely nuts. It's nuts. It doesn't seem that nuts, but it's nut burgers, man. All right, let's see what Bitcoin's doing. We still got 33 minutes into the close. We still got a long friggin' time, man. A long friggin' time. Let's see. Hey, you put the 0.88. That's my bread and butter. Yeah, the 0.88, I went back and back tested it. The 0.88 is pretty good, man. All right. So, guys, let's look at some altcoins here real quick. Let me know what altcoins you guys want to look at. We'll look at some alts. You know, I mean, alts are... I know some people trade alts and whatnot, so if there's any alts you want to look at, let me know. We can look at the stock market, DXY, all that fun stuff here coming up in just a second. But we have the weekly close coming up, man, so how could you not be excited? What's the weekly close? What is that? Jordan, what's the weekly close? Is it like what the clothes that you wear? Is it like this hat? Jordan, well, we're matching. Does that mean we're friends? Jordan, are we friends? We're matching. We have the same hat and shirts. Jordan, do you want to get lunch with me? Can you teach me about crypto? Jordan, go to lunch with me.
Nope.
But no. The weekly close. We had the weekly close come out 31 minutes. 31 minutes. If I can do my math correctly here. Guys, let's smack up that like button. It's the weekly close. Let's get it, man. We got 1,000 people in here, 286 likes. Smack up that like button on the weekly close. Let's have some fun tonight, man. I hope everyone had a fantastic weekend. What did you do this weekend? All right, what did you do this weekend? I didn't do much this weekend. Because obviously next weekend is 4th of July weekend, so having a little bit of a chill weekend before next weekend. Last weekend we went back up north, and next weekend we're gonna do it again. So it's more of a chill weekend this weekend. We are actually going to be not living in a tent, but actually staying in a tent on the 4th of July week, and we're also going to go down a river, okay, in a tube. And have some drinks and stuff and hang out with some family. It's going to be a good weekend next weekend. I didn't really do much this weekend though. Remodeling my rental house across the street. Nice. Prickly Preppy worked all weekend. Keep making the bread for the DCA, man. That's what I'm talking about. All right, let's see. Have you checked out Squid Grow?
Nope.
and am I going to check out Squid Grow? Nope. All right. Handleton said, we need Jabba. Well, we'll see Jabba when it starts dumping again, man. We will see Jabba. Best trust. T said, appreciate the super chats, though, guys. You guys are absolute studs. T said, Jordan, thought on which coins will get regulated. We'll pump them up with big money backing. Also, do you think the silly JPEG NFTs are dead? I don't think they're dead, no. I don't think they're dead, man. It's just, to me, it's the same thing. Guys, value comes from how much people value something, right? It doesn't have to be something that brings tangible value. I mean, guys, look at baseball cards. Look at Pokemon cards. Look at art. Okay? In reality, most of that stuff is a piece of paper with some paint or was printed out. Does it really have any tangible value? No, it's all about how much people value it in their heads, right? So that's the same way I think about with NFTs, right? It's the same type of value, right? If you think about it that way, it's the same thing. Do I think it's gonna be dead? No, because I think it may be a little bit overhyped. It's not overhyped, but overpriced, just like maybe everything else was a couple months ago. Sure, yeah, but yeah, I don't think NFTs are going anywhere, man. I think it's just gonna be another staple, if anything, you know. Let's see. Snoop and Eminem just made a music video with them turning into apes. Nice, man. All right, so let's see what else we got. Let's go look at Solana. Solana. Can Solana? Oh my lord! Look at the monthly chart on Solana, man. Oh my lord! All right, let's go to the daily. This like scared me for a second. I thought this was the daily. I was like, oh lord, man, did I miss something? No, but it's on the monthly for some reason. All right, daily. Daily's not really telling us much. I would say for the daily time frame, right? Just like with BTC, right? We probably would want to hold this general support level here, or this previous resistance. If it comes back down and it breaks this again, all right, probably going back down to those lows. It's actually very similar to kind of the price action we had up here. Not in a vacuum, but you know, we broke out and then it was just like to the downside, right? So be careful of that. We go to the short-term time frames. You guys can see, and this is kind of the same thing I said when we were up here. You guys remember up here when Bitcoin was up here, and I was like, Bitcoin is not going to have a rally if the daily stock RSI is topped out. It's not going to have a rally if the daily stock RSI is topped out. All right? It's the same thing I see with Solana, man. Daily stock RSI is topped out. I don't see it going to the absolute moon. Can it go up a little bit higher? Sure. I don't see it going to the absolute moon without getting this reset. All right, so hopefully if we do get a little bit of a reset for the bulls, all right, we just reset it a little bit, come down a little bit, and then continue back up. All right, short-term time frames are probably saying, yeah, short-term time frames are bottomed out. So it's definitely an interesting time. Let me actually go to the 1 hour, see where we're going at, man. The 1 hour is actually looking interesting because it's really just going. I mean, it's really just going sideways. This price action is just absolute sideways action. Is it just going to be our favorite Bart Simpson? Where's my guy Bart in the chat? Where is he? Where's my Bart? We need like Bart Simpson music, man. You know? Is it going to be one of these? Dump it. All right? And then we get Bart Simpson coming in the chat as we go sideways. We get the Bart Simpson here just to dump it back down to the downside. Okay? How many times have we seen these Bart Simpson patterns, man? All right? I hope it doesn't happen again, but it's been the staple of crypto. All right? If it breaks this support, which is sitting at right now, we don't want to see another Bart Simpson. Okay? And this sums it up for all of us. Okay? We don't want to see another one of these. All right? Please. We don't want to see another one of these. All right, let me go back over here. There we go. Let me take off Bart. We don't want to see Bart Simpson. So that's basically what I'll say about Solana. I mean, short term, it's just bouncing up and down, bouncing up and down, bouncing up and down. Same type of thing. If this does play out, I would expect to move to the downside first, right? Probably a retest, continuation back down, something along those lines. Because the stock RSIs are getting low in the 1 hour, are getting low in the 4 hour. But I want to see that dump first, reset them, then up lower. If it plays out Bart Simpson pattern. Okay? If it plays out Bart Simpson pattern. All right, let's see what Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin right now is kind of just hanging out, not really doing too much at the moment. It looks like it's trying to break the support level here, man. It's trying to, very, very hard. Let's have an anti-Bart rally. I would love to have an anti-Bart rally, man. Dump it. Let's see. Solana is useless, and you went to school at my... And my mom was your teacher? Danny, what's going on, Danny? Danny said... Wait, who said that? Wait, hold on. Who said that? Steve Conway, not useless. You went to my school at my house, and my mom was your teacher. Oh, I get it. I thought someone said I went to their school, and their mom was my teacher. But someone was talking shit in the chat, man. Someone was talking shit. I was so thrown off for a second. I was like, I went to school with someone in the chat? Who are you, man? Let me know. But no, it was someone that was talking shit. Stephen Conway, you're an idiot. You went to school at my house, and my mom was your teacher. And then Stephen Conway's comeback was this. Oh yeah? Oh yeah, Danny? Oh yeah? Well, guess what? Then I fucked your mom, okay? Yeah. I fucked my teacher. Who is your mom? Take that. She liked my ruler. Yeah, she wanted to teach me how to use a ruler. Oh, I taught her. Oh, you got two people fighting in the chat, man. I love when people are, two viewers are just fighting in the chat. Come on, man. Let's chill out a little bit. Let's chill out, man. All right. Stephen and Clint are drunk. All right. Let's continue on. So that was Solana. All right, Solana. Let's go look at Cardano, or everyone's favorite altcoin, Cardano. I'm being sarcastic. People either love Cardano or they hate it. You know, there's no in between. I gave up on trying to defend Cardano. You know, there's not really a point. 4-hour time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour. So here's what I'm watching for Cardano, man. So we know Ethereum already broke the support level. Cardano has not done it yet. So look at Captain Cardano, all right? Yes, I'm calling it Captain Cardano. Come at me, man. So Cardino, okay, is coming up like this, like a wedge. You see the little wedge formation? You see a little wedgie? You got the wedge formation, all right? You're right back down at the bottom of the wedge, all right? We know these wedge formations break out at 68% of the time in the direction that they're supposed to, okay? So let's watch this. Once again, if this breaks, you know, if I'm going to enter a trade, I'm going to wait for the dip, the rise back up, the retest, then the continuation. All right, and the first level I look at is, it's the same type of deal, man. I look at right here, the lows here, and then obviously we have this wick down here. Shout out to Tino, man. We always come back down and take the wicks. We have this wick down here too. So those are the two levels I look for if and only if, okay? If and only if Cardano breaks down here. If and only if. If it doesn't, if it holds here, all right, it nullified, we move on to the next one. If it breaks down, that's the setup I'm looking for. Those are the two levels I'm looking at for Cardino. All right? Put the shades on. All right, hold on. You guys want Becker? Shit, man. All right, you guys want Becker, don't you? We can do Becker. We can do Becker. Let's see. Let's wait. Mosh, can you give me my sunglasses? In the drawer or on top of the thing. All right. Yeah. Well, Becker's gonna come on in a second, guys. Okay. Becker's gonna come on in a second. Ada sucks till it don't. Yeah, same type of deal, man. All right. What else do we have to look at? I'm actually interested in what total market cap looks like. Oh Lord, man. I actually haven't looked at total market cap in a while. Don't ask me why. I wasn't looking at too many charts this weekend. A little bit. Like it was just Bitcoin, but I wasn't looking at anything besides Bitcoin. So total, because really Bitcoin wasn't doing anything. I was waiting for it to break this way or that way. It wasn't doing shiza, man. Thank you. Someone said we can hear you. We got Pencil Neck in the chat coming in. Where's my Pencil Neck? Shout out to all my Pencil Necks in the chat. I love my Pencil Necks too. Where's my Pencil Neck? Hold on. We can hear you. Wait, so you're saying this is not real? You're saying that everyone on here is not real? We literally just heard what you said. We just heard you say, Maya, go get my sunglasses. We heard that. Yeah, we heard that. I also think wrestling's real. I think the WWE is real. Yeah, I think wrestling's real too. But this is not real. I thought this was real, man. I thought... Oh, man. You gotta love people, man. I love you guys. You guys are funny in the chat, man. Every top 100 coin has its haters. Oh, true. Even Bitcoin has its haters, man. People say Bitcoin's slow, this, that. Bitcoin has its haters, everything else. All right, look at total market cap, guys. What are we doing here on total market cap? All right, what are we doing? Let's keep it real here. Let's not sugarcoat anything. What are we doing on total market cap? Let's be real here. All right, let's drop the moon boy glasses for 2 seconds. All right? What are we doing here? What are we doing? We're breaking support, broken the lows. Now, this could always change. And just like we saw with Bitcoin, if this is not going to dump, I want to see right here hold, man. I don't want this to be an M formation. All right, so for total market cap, it's the same thing as we talked about with Bitcoin. We don't want to see the M formation. If it comes back down and breaks the neckline right there at like 916 billion, oh, this is coming lower, man. We have a rising wedge, M formation. This is coming lower, right? So we don't want to see it break that M. We don't want to see that. We do not want to see that. For the same token, if it bounces off the neckline, it bounces back up. All right, hey, we're back in business. We can go back to the drawing board. But hey, right now, man, let's keep it real. Let's keep it real. Your mom is a real man, literally. A real man. My mom wouldn't be very happy at that, man. Do not be talking to shit about my mom like that in the chat, bro. She's gonna come after you. Excuse me? It's my birthday, bitch. Do not be talking about me like that. It's my birthday, bitch. Bobby, where are you, girl? Someone's talking shit about Jordan's mom in the chat, who's me. Oh yeah, let's go cause some drama over there. Let's go. Come on, Bobby. Come on, girl. Let's go. Come on, girl. Someone's talking shit, girl. All right, let's go get her. Why is she from the South? Let's go get her. All right, I'm done. For some reason I have this Southern accent for no reason. Oh Lord, I don't know why I always do that. Just do like a random accent for no reason. All right. Anyways, all right, what's Bitcoin doing? All right, Bitcoin's trying to come back down again. Hallelujah. We're getting some price action on stream, man. Let's see what happens here, guys. All right. Dump it. I just smacked the like for your mommy. Thank you, man. Thank you. Don't be making fun of my mom on stream, guys. She's a very nice lady. Okay? She looks like a Karen, but she's a very nice lady. Oh, your oh Lord is kind of southern. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Is it? I don't think it is. Oh Lord. I don't think it is, guys. Let's look at ETH. Oh yeah, ETH is coming back down. ETH is coming back down to the downside. Here we go, baby. The rising wedge. Make up for my trade earlier on Friday, man. Let's go. That bottom lip looks like. Oh, you don't want to know what that bottom lip looks like, man. All right. Yeah, so ETH is coming back down. First level I'm looking at for ETH, guys, as ETH is coming back down right now. First level I'm looking at is the previous lows right here for ETH. Right there in this box. That is about 1177. Let me actually mark that off too. That's the first level I'm looking at for Ethereum right there. And for Bitcoin is still have this possible W formation. So let's see if it breaks the previous low. If not, going to God one time. Not really God one time. If it doesn't hold that previous low, we're probably going to 20,900. All right, 20,900, which is not a huge move. It's only like $100, and then we can kind of reassess. But Bitcoin's held this range once, twice, so we'll see if it holds that level again here in the short term. This is super short term time frame stuff, guys. We got 15 minutes until the weekly close. Let's see where the weekly's at. So the weekly is kind of just an indecision candle right now. Nothing really crazy going down on the weekly. It's going to stay green as long as we close above 20,563, which, bearing some, like, a little bit of a dumpy dump in the next 15 minutes, we should close above that. But you never know. You never know with this stuff. You never know. You dump it. You heard me. Took profits today. There you go, Interactive. Hey, man. Nothing wrong with taking profits. I will not shit on people. Guys, can I do a quick rant alert?
Rant alert.
I will never, ever shit on people for taking profits again. Okay? I will never do it. I used to do that. Listen, I was a moon boy. I will say it. But I will never, ever shit on people for taking profits ever again when they feel like they want to take profits. Ever. If you feel like taking profits, do not listen to anyone shit on you and be like, oh, you have paper hands, you have lettuce hands for taking profits. No, you take profits when you want to take profits. Trust your gut. Go with your gut. Okay, if you miss some, if it goes a little bit higher when you took profits, it is what it is, man. You go on to the next one. All right.
Rant alert.
Don't listen to anyone. You do what you want to do. Trust your gut. You gotta trust your gut, man. You can't go broke taking profits. That's my favorite saying. You cannot go broke taking profits, man. You can't. It's impossible to. You made money. All right. All right. So, Bitcoin right now, shorter term time frames. This is the 15-minute time frame. Trying to hold the lows. I would say if, what you want to see here for Bitcoin, like if we zoom in, there's a little bit of bullish divergence on the 15-minute time frame. If you want to get super dirty here, we know we like to get a little bit dirty here in the short-term time frames. All right. You can go to, yeah, true. You have lows and you have lows coming up. All right. So you do have a little bit of bullish divergence on the 15-minute with a double bottom action. Let's watch this in the short term. Let's see if we get maybe a little bit of a rise. All right. If anything. But besides that, there's not too much going down. Hourly, not confirmed yet, but could have some bullish divergence on the hourly too, depending on where it closes. So we just watching Bitcoin here. Bitcoin. Overall, I mean, we broke trend, right? We broke trend, so I expect it to go. I expect it to go back down to the downside, guys. All right, and continue the. I am George. We're all George, guys. Today we are probably going to continue the bear trend. All right. I know I've been hyping up this little short-term rally the last couple of days, and we've been getting super hyped over this rally. But I think the bear trend is going to restart today. I want to tell you guys once again, we are not in a bear market. Okay, this is not a bear market. This is totally whale manipulation. They're trying to push down the price as low as they can. Right? It's not like the stock markets are dumping. Everything's dumping. The world is going on fire. This is not a bear market. This is a bearish trend. Continue to hodl, but I think the bearish trend is going to continue, guys. All right, so watch out for whales. Okay, they're playing some serious whalish games. Other than that, guys, that's all I have for you today. Do you guys have any questions for me in the chat? Let's do some Q&A. Let's see. I love George, but all right, we got no questions in the chat, man. No one's got any questions for us. Let me take that off. All right. Anyways. Let's go look at some more alts in the chat, shall we? What else we got for altcoins, guys? What else we got for altcoins? XRP. Everyone's favorite coin, XRP. What do we got? Let's see the 4-hour time frame. Not a lot going on in the 4-hour time frame. Not the same price action. Doesn't have the same setup I'm looking for other alts. I'm looking for a break of trend on a lot of these alts. XRP still got a little way to go. I would actually say XRP... out of everything, excuse me, as I burp. It's better than a fart, I guess. I will say. XRP, out of everything else, kind of looks a little bit interesting. Looks like it's just consolidating, getting ready for a move. I would say these usually break to the upside, right? If you have a symmetrical triangle looking to break to the upside, all right, all is good in the world. But everything else is kind of pointing interestingly to the downside. So it makes me a little shady on this. If you look down, right, shout out to everyone in the chat. We do have, not only this, right, it's kind of consolidating, getting ready for a move. But we also do have this yellow vector candle in the hourly back down here. Okay. And once again, just like we saw with Solana, man, what do we not want to see, man? We don't want to see Captain Bot Simpson come out the woodwork to dump its back down, okay? We do not want to see Bart because it's going sideways. We know when we see the pumps and then they just Bart sideways, you know what happens, man. Eventually Bart goes, what's going on? I don't know if Bart actually talks like that. That's sort of weird. But we don't want to see Bart Simpson, okay? Same type of deal for XRP. It's not what we want to see. All right. But overall, I mean, same type of deal. I would say it's a better chance of us going to the downside to at least test this trend, but once again, we'll wait to see what we want to see. All right, Bitcoin's chilling. Ethereum is at about 1,200. Let's actually see. They do have a trade open right now. You actually see what's going on over here. All right. Jordan, you tell yourself to take profits, man. No. We're not doing it today. We're not doing it. Not yet. Okay, not yet. I'll take profits at this green box right here, okay? Okay? And if it goes back up, you guys can make fun of me on stream. You guys can point and laugh at me, okay? You can point and laugh at me. That's what you guys can do. Bart sounds like Mickey Mouse. I'm a real boy. Oh, Lord, man. Mickey Mouse. All right. Let's continue. BNB. Let's see. So BNB, everyone's favorite. I actually like BNB, man. BNB holds up pretty well. Yeah, BNB broke trend. You guys can see there. BNB, 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, 4 touches, broke to the downside. So same thing on BNB. I'd watch for, see if you get a continued move down. You maybe test this previous low here, right? So if BNB continues down, comes back down, tests the M formation low. Okay, comes back down, tests the M formation, maybe gets a little bit of a rise up, reset the RSIs a little bit. You wait for the back test, all right? Wait for the back test. Continuation down. Same type of deal, all right? A lot of altcoin charts are going to look relatively similar as they're all kind of breaking trend at the current moment, right? Looking lower. It's actually no vector candles looking lower until all the way back down here, which, $204. I don't expect it to happen overnight, But BNB's kind of the same deal, man. You're breaking trend there. All right, Bitcoin's still chilling at 21,000. Weekly close is coming up, man. Weekly close is coming up, man. It's gonna be an interesting weekly close today. No, it's really not. It's not really that interesting of a weekly close. Bitcoin's kind of just a complete indecision candle, man. I think the wicks are probably the same exact length. Yeah, you get a candle body, same wick, complete indecision candle, man. Right? Not even the horse guy. The Viking is an absolute shambles right now, man. All he wants to do is fight, but no one wants to fight, man. Vikings, Bears, it is time to fight. No one else wants to fight besides me. Look at Bitcoin's horrible weekly candle. Does no one want to fight? Where are the bulls? Where are the bears? Push Bitcoin in a direction. Where are the bulls? Where are they? I'm right here. I don't want to fight. I don't want to fight right now. Okay? I'm not training. I'm going to lunch with Jordan tomorrow. So I'm getting prepared. I have to show him that we're smart. Okay? Well, I don't want to fight with you anyway, you weirdo. You are friggin' weird. I don't want to fight with you. Where are the bears? I'm right here. I don't need to fight. I'm rich. I don't need to friggin' fight. I already have 10 cars. Why would I fight? I'm already rich. What's the hell? Does no one want to fight here? Alright, I'm done. I'm done with that. But yeah, I mean, no one's trying to fight right now, No one's trying to fight. I'm in a short. What are you gonna do? Horse guy is a lover, not a fighter. Yeah, he's not. He is kind of a lover. Like if I had to, actually, let me get the price action back on the screen. Sorry, I brought my. There we go. Sorry guys, I had the price action at the top of the screen there. That was some weird friggin' thing on the top screen. Let me go back over here. All right, so anyways, we got 5 minutes of the weekly close, man. We are chilling at the current moment. Someone just sent a super chat. Oh no, Rod said, Rod's been a member for 12 months. Rod, I think you've been a member since day one of the memberships, man. So that's pretty sick, bro. That's pretty sick. I appreciate you, man. 12 freaking months. Who else has been a member for 12 months? Let me know in the chat. Raise your hand. If not, hey, it's okay. Who's been watching the stream for 12 months? Let me know in the chat. I always like to see who's been here. Like I said, a couple days ago, I went back and watched the old streams, and I recognize so many of you guys in the chat, which blows my mind every single day. Rod said, what's your thoughts on Matic? Dude, I am uber bullish on Matic, okay? Now, I did short it the other day because I thought it was going to go back down. And, you know, that was the one that pissed me off, okay? You guys remember the stream. But, yeah, Matic. No, for long-term hold, I love Matic for a long-term hold, man. Right now, dude, it went up a lot. If we look at where Matic is right now, though, I will say it just broke its lows. So, yeah, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Right as we actually look at it, it's dumping. There we go. I wish I could have done this on this dip here, but no, it wanted to bounce back up, stop me out, and then dump. Friggin' idiot Matic. No, I'm just kidding. There's probably some people making money on this trade. But yeah, there it goes. There it goes. It's actually just breaking the lows right now, man. There it goes, man. It's crazy. Yeah, you're breaking the lows. It's not really an M formation. It's just kind of a blump to the downside. So there it goes, man. There it goes. I mean, on the 4-hour time frame, you have just... This was a classic Bart Simpson pattern, man. And you're probably going to see this play out for a bunch of different alts, all right? Where's my Bart Simpson here, man? Here he is again. Look at him. It's playing out, man. You're going to see this on Solana, XRP. All right, there's Bart Simpson making his day. All right, you got a giant 4-hour vector candle down here. All right, that you usually come back down and take at least half of it. All right, so I wouldn't be surprised if Matic came back down to this range. If it doesn't, hey, you can come back and come after me, but it is what it is. All right. Looks like Bart Simpson's coming back into play here. So we'll see what happens there on Matic. No, but for long term, man, I love Matic for a long term hold. It's one of the altcoins that I am still holding, because I'm only holding about like 9 coins at the moment, which some people say that's a lot. But dude, there was a point in time where I was holding probably like 30 plus, you know, which was, it's just like ridiculous, you know. Let's see, meme coins are up a bit today. BTC always dumps shortly after that. Yeah, usually. Bitcoin's actually holding up right now. ETH is still coming down. Looking for my first target for ETH is back down in this green box here, so that's coming back down still. Yeah, but Matic looks like it's trying to break the lows there. That's what she said. Oh Lord. Let's see. If Matic, anyway, you gotta wait for the close, guys. We got 2 minutes. Well, actually, we only got 2 minutes into the close. If I was gonna say if it closes back above here, awesome. We got 2 minutes into the close though, so let's see. See what happens here on Captain Matic, man. You know, Horse Guy is pissed because I told Horse Guy last time we were at lunch. I told Horse Guy that I was super bullish on Matic and for the long term, and I think he took it as short term, man.
What? No! This is ridiculous! Jordan, you told me you were bullish on Matic! You told me you thought Matic was going back to all-time highs! This is ridiculous! I am selling right now! I am done! I am done with crypto! This is ridiculous! Jordan, you lied!
Yes, Horse Guy thought Jordan was bullish on Matic short term. But no, he is bullish long term. Yes, we have him faked out. Yes, he just dumped all his crypto. You know what to do now. You know what to do. You know exactly what to do. Pump it.
What? This is manipulation again. I think it is Jordan manipulating. This is not a Jordan. Jordan, I trusted you. I literally trusted you. This is manipulation. Where are the whales? We must hold them accountable.
Alright. I'm done. No, but we got the daily close. Daily close. Bitcoin closed at a measly, okay, I'll say it again, measly 21,037, okay? 21,037. So, let's see what happens now. All right, I mean, it's kind of a nothing burger daily. All right, indecision candle doesn't really tell us too much there on the daily. I will say the weekly close though. All right, we closed 2 weeks below the weekly close for the first time ever in Bitcoin's history. Holy moly, man. Holy moly. That's crazy.
And it won't be the last. There's many, many more to come. There's going to be like 10 weekly closes below the 200 week. Trust me, guys. Stop listening. Stop falling for these little failed rallies. They're just more liquidity for me to short on you. You freaking idiots. Stop buying crypto right now. You idiots.
Java, one day we're going to make Java cry, guys, and it's going to be the best. I cannot wait to the day where Java is crying again, saying he doesn't have any shoes, socks, cars, okay, islands. I can't wait till we take all this stuff and manipulate Java again, man. All right. So Bitcoin looks like it did close below that support level there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. Looks like it did break below there. ETH is still chilling at 1,200. So ETH did get closed lower there. Let's see what happens, man. We're just another day closer now. Another day closer to the pi cycle bottom. Let me actually do a poll here, guys. For everyone that watched the beginning of the stream, okay? Do you think... And guys, if you missed the beginning of the stream, go watch the beginning of the stream. We talked about the pi cycle bottom. You guys know the pi cycle top. The pi cycle top and the pi cycle bottom have been 100% correct. It's actually pretty crazy. I doubted it last time. I will not doubt it again. Do you think Bitcoin will bottom with the pi cycle bottom on July 6th? All right? Let me know in the chat. Do you think Bitcoin will bottom with the pi cycle bottom on July 6th? Yes or no in the chat. You can answer in the chat and you can do it in the poll, man. I put a poll up there, so you can do either one. So you guys decide what you want to do. What you want to do there. Matic, still trying to continue down there. 55 cents for little Matic at the moment, guys. Bitcoin trying to come back down again. I will say, guys, be careful on the daily chart for BTC, man. Right? To me, this is just another bearish formation. Okay? We've seen this consistently. And I keep seeing the same things on Twitter, man. I'm trying my best not to troll these guys too much, okay? I'm trying my best, man, but sometimes it's really, really hard, man. It's really, really hard not to troll these guys because they just make it so freaking easy. And if you want to troll me, I make it easy to troll me sometimes too. But the thing is, man, it's so easy to troll these guys. And it is what it is, man. All right, let's have Crypto Rover on, man. Where's my guy, Crypto Rover?
What's going on, guys? It's Crypto Rover. Crypto Rover. I smell another pump. I smell another pump. Oh, yeah. We're going to pump again. Yeah. I said Bitcoin's going to the moon right here. Yes, I did. I said Bitcoin's going to the moon right here. Yup. I said Bitcoin's going to the moon right here. Yup. And I just said I smelled another pump yesterday. Okay? We're going to the moon, guys. Yes. And I am super, super excited about it. Yes. We are going to the moon, man. Yes.
Guys, I've been trying to be a little bit nicer to people, but like sometimes I see this stuff on Twitter and it's like, dude, you literally have been doing this for so long and you're still gonna fall. There was a time where I would have said the same thing, but you're still gonna fall for this shit like every single time. It's like, oh my lord, man. But anyways, always troll, always. It's the way of crypto. I guess, man. Sometimes I try to tame down the troll, man. But at my core, I guess I gotta troll a little bit. Okay. We need some troll NFTs. You think so? You think so? Oh Lord, man. What's going on, Mo? You miss me, man? I miss you too, bro. I miss you too. Just fall to 10K already? Yeah, man. To me, nothing has changed. I mean, we're just doing another one of these bear market consolidations. We've done like 8 times, you know. So until I see anything otherwise, I mean, it's a lot of this the same, you know. It's a lot of just the same. All right, Matic's chilling. Let's go check out some of the altcoins we looked at. ADA, still trying to hold support on ADA right now. We'll see if that continues to hold. Like I said, if it does break this, it's just a rising wedge pattern that's bearish. Would break down to the downside more often than not. Horse Guy is your fave, Joe? Nice, man. Joe 89K. I love it, man. Love that Horse Guy is your fave. XRP, still trying to hold support. So nothing really going on there. What was the other one we looked at? Solana. Solana looks like it did break the previous low, but I'm not convinced it's dumping yet. So just be careful on Solana. I want to see a little bit more downside there. Let's look at like the DXY. Actually, let me go back to Solana here. Let me use this chart for the DXY. So DXY. Oh, Lord. We got to refresh again. We got to refresh again.
Jordan, fix your friggin' streams. We're tired of you sitting here and just refreshing pages. You should have this already set up, okay? Like, it's ridiculous, man. The production quality on this stream is awful. Friggin' awful. Like, you have like 50 people helping you. How did your production quality go out so bad? It sucks. Christ, man. I can do a better job than that. And I jerk off like 5 times a day. Christ, man. All right, let me eat this friggin' meatloaf, man. Hold on, it's on the ground. Shit.
All right. But yeah, so let me go back over here, man. Let me go back over there. There we go. All right. So what else we got? Let's go back to like the daily. Where's the freaking daily? Am I an idiot? All right, here it is. Sometimes I can be an idiot. For sure. Let's go to the DXY. So DXY is, let's see. Yeah, it's not really doing. See, the DXY is just consolidating. Like, we've had little breakouts, we've had little breakdowns. The DXY is, it's really just still chilling. Like, you could say it broke down, but we know last week we said it was breaking up, and then it just like dumped back down. So you could say maybe it's breaking down for consolidation. Maybe DXY goes down a little bit here. I don't know how much lower it goes, man. You know, we got to see what happens tomorrow. I can't get too excited about this. You know, I just can't get too excited about the DXY breaking down here, because we saw the same thing last week. We pumped and then we just went right back to the downside. So I can't get too pumped on that. What I'll say for like the stock markets, man, if you go like the S&P, we'll check out the Fear and Greed Index ads in a second, guys. What do you think the Fear and Greed Index ads will be? Let me know in the chat. Like the S&P and the NASDAQ. Check some of these, man. So NASDAQ, nice formation. It is nice moves to the upside last Friday. I would say just be careful because it did close right at resistance here, right? And we kind of had a similar formation on the, yeah, like we've seen this before, so just be careful here, right? We've came up to resistance and got rejected, right? I mean, we've actually done it multiple times. We dropped, we came back up, got rejected, drop again, came back up. We closed right at the resistance, so just be careful right there going into next week, guys. Same thing on the NASDAQ. We have a little bit more of a defined pattern in the NASDAQ. That's why this one looks a little bit better. We do have a possible W formation in the NASDAQ, and that's what you want to see. Bitcoin's more correlated to the NASDAQ. So you want to see the W formation play out here. Like that, rise to the upside. So if the NASDAQ can come back up and break back above the W formation, which is about 12,318. All right, awesome. W formation, rise to the upside. Awesome, good stuff. That should bring up crypto with it in theory, right? So we'll watch that going to next week. We had a daily gap here. It looks like they're probably going to fill right now. So we'll see what Monday looks like. Let me just look at the futures real quick one more time. Maybe I had a little bit more time to let those settle here. Futures are still red. Nothing crazy, but just slightly red. Fear and Greed ads. Let's see what we got, man. Drum roll, please. Okay, no drum roll. What's up with these ads? They're so plain, man. What is this ad? No deals. No one's gonna click on it. There's no deals. All right, guys. For everyone that's gonna make an ad out there, like, dude, what kind of ad is this? No one's just gonna click on this shirt and go, "Oh my God, look at this plain shirt. It's a T-shirt." No one's just gonna click on this. You got to give us some incentive. At least do like 10% off or something, man. But Fear True Classic Tees, come on, man. Have a little clickbait. Little clickbait on your ad, man. Holy moly, man. I don't even know what this is. Extreme fear. So people are still fearful. I mean, obviously, nothing changed there. And we're still clumped up. We're still clumped up on the Fear and Greed Index. Must mean we bottomed out. Right, George? We bottomed out in the Fear and Greed Index, man? Did we bottom out, bro? I am George. We're all George. Yes, guys, we did bottom out because we are still clumped up on the Fear and Greed Index, guys. You know, we're clumped up. We're clumped up again. So this means that we're at the bottom. We were clumped up back in January. That meant the bottom, right? We were clumped up back here back in May 2018. That called the bottom, right? We were clumped up back in August of 2018. That called the bottom, right? We had so many clumps, and that called every single bottom. So just remember, guys, we are clumped up on the Fear and Greed Index, and that does call the bottom, okay? We are very clumped up. We're very clumpy.
Clumped? What kind of shit is this, George? What bullshit is this? What are you saying to your followers? Clumped up on the Fear and Greed Index? Obviously it's fearful. The world is burning. We're in a recession. No shit, numbnuts. No friggin' shit. People are fearful. Like, no shit. Do you see anything positive in the world right now? There's nothing positive. No shit, numbnuts.
Oh, Lord, man. Oh, man. A monkey could have told me that. All right, hold on. Let's do this. All right, guys. Let's... All right. Moving on. All the George fans are going to get pissed at me, so I got to move on here. So Solana looks like it's trying to break down. So that played out pretty nicely. Where's Matic, man? Is Matic just gone? Okay. I thought it was on here. Matic. Let's see. Yeah, Matic still is below that low. Trying to hold up while Bitcoin looks like it's trying to come back down again. Once again. Bitcoin trying to come back a little bit lower here. ETH. Come on, ETH. Dump it to that green box, baby. Come on. Let's see. Jordan, how much how much do I bench? 50 pounds, man. All right, let's see. No, I'm not. You didn't refresh Fear and Greed? Oh, I refreshed it. Trust me, I did. All right, Matic still chilling. What else we got? Bitcoin's still just chilling too, man. Holy moly. Holy guys, I need some water. My voice is getting a little choppy. I can tell. Man. For everyone that lives in the U.S., what are you guys up to on the 4th of July, man? And I'm curious. I don't think this is actually... This is a dumb question. But does anyone else celebrate the 4th of July? This is a very dumb question. Because every country has their Independence Day, okay? Yeah. Yeah, true. Does anyone else celebrate 4th of July? I'm curious. I don't think anyone else does. I'm just generally curious. I know the answer is no. What are you guys up to for 4th of July, man? Let's see. The stream needs refreshing. Refreshing? We talking about Mike. All right, Bitcoin's trying to come back down now. 20,991. Let's see what happens here. 21,001. Can we get a little bit more dumpy dump for BTC? E trying to hold up. Matic trying to hold up. Everything trying to hold up, man. BBQ, nice. No. No. No one else does. Gonna blow some shit up. That's what I'm talking about, man. Just make sure you're doing it legally. You know. I'm going up to New Hampshire, so it is legal in New Hampshire. Okay, we go nuts up there. We go nuts. I'm actually very, very excited. It's gonna be a great weekend, man. I actually won't be streaming on the 3rd of July, the 4th of July, or the 5th of July, man. So you guys will miss me for 5 days, man. But no, we'll go up to New Hampshire and enjoy some fireworks because that's what we do. That's what we do, man. I forget last year. No, last year I was only gone for 1 day last year. Clint passed out. I wouldn't be surprised. I definitely wouldn't be surprised. Doge is pumping. Let's see. Let's go back to Doge. Let's go check out the Doge. Doge is pumping. Let's see. Do I have Doge on this list? I thought I had Doge on this list. Where's Doge? Let me add Doge to my watch list because I don't know why it's not on the watch list. I thought I had every top 10 coin on there. I guess not. Let's see the Doja. The Doja, the Doja, the Doja. Oh yeah, look at Doge. Let's go, man. The Doja. Pumping to the upside. Let's friggin' get it. For the Doge. I was just checking ETH, man, because I'm in an ETH trade. I was like, Doge is pumping? Maybe time to close the ETH short. 7.5 cents. I don't know if it's gonna continue higher here. Let's see. Hourly stocks are bottomed out though, so you could go up here. Could go up, man. 15-minute. Let's see. Let's watch Doge. It doesn't look like anything else is really pumping. Bitcoin's doing nothing, chilling. ETH is chilling. Yeah, everything else is kind of just chilling, guys. Doge is kind of doing its own thing here. That's never a good sign. Well, I will say, Doge has been pumping the last, like, what, week or so, and the rest of crypto's gone up. Now, is it a good sign for, like, you know, the next couple weeks? I don't know. But right now, hey, it's doing its thing. Let's let it do its thing. 7.5 cents. Can it retrace this whole move down? Let's see. Noobs. Hey man, I'm not gonna hate on people for investing in. Listen, you can't. Can I do a quick rant alert, man?
Rant alert.
This is another thing I learned last year, man. I am never going to hate, besides XRP. Okay, I am never gonna hate on a coin that someone else invests on, no matter what it is. I don't care if it's a meme coin. I don't care if it's anything. Okay, I don't care if it's anything, man. I don't care if you're Bob. You're sitting down there in your basement like this.
Oh my god, look at Doge! Yes! God, I love Doge. I only got into crypto because of Doge. And Shiba, yes! I'm rich. Look who's a hater now. All the Bitcoin maxis salty because Doge is outperforming Bitcoin. Stupid Bitcoin maxis. Let's freaking go, man. I'm the best investor ever. Okay? You got all these guys like Anthony Papliano and these idiots who only invest in Bitcoin, and I outperform them. Me, Bob. I sit in my basement, jerk off 5 times a day, and eat meatloaf and Mountain Dew. Okay? Me. I'm the best investor.
It is kind of funny, like that's how kind of crypto is, man. I mean, you could be the quote unquote smartest person in the world, but if someone like Bob happens to invest in a meme coin, it goes nuts. He's a genius, you know. It's funny how crypto works sometimes. I will never ever hate on anyone for investing in a coin as long as you're not FOMOing in, man. I see no problem with anything, man. I'm not going to be that guy anymore because let's be honest. What were the best performing coins in 2021? Doge and Shiba, right? Maybe not. Maybe there was some other one that was. But Doge and Shiba were 2 of the top ones. So, let's just remember that, man. No, you're... That was not... What? That was Bob Floyd. What are you talking about? That was an imposter, Bob. That was an imposter, wasn't it? Holy moly. Let's see. Wait, is Clint? This is meme, and I refuse to hate on you. Holy moly, Clint, are you okay, man? What are you saying in the chat? Clint says this is period meme channel, and I refuse to hate on you. With interesting, Clint, you good, man? I want to make sure you're all right, man. All right. Anyways, go back to Doge. Doge came up. Is it going to continue up higher? Let's find out. Uh, why am I making this noise? I don't know. XRP is trying to continue up too. All right. So as of right now, XRP is holding the lows, man. Not too shabby, not too shabby. XRP holding the lows. Once again, man. Everything's still just kind of staying in its consolidation periods, right? So if we zoom out, short-term price action. We zoom out, I mean, in reality, we're just kind of in this consolidation like we said before, guys. Like if you go to like the 4-hour chart, say XRP, good example. This is all we're really doing, right? Higher lows, lower highs, just consolidating sideways. ADA, same type of deal. A little bit more bearish, you know, overall like macro pattern for ADA, but trying to hold the support at least initially. What else we got? Solana, same type of deal. I mean, Solana broke the lows, but right now it's trying to hold on by a thread. All right, so see if Solana holds that level. What else we look at? BNB broke support, but still trying to hold up. So right now everything's trying to hold up because Bitcoin's trying to hold up. So let's see if it continues to hold up, man. Holding the lows. Let's see. Clint said earlier he was starting on a box of wine. Oh, Lord. Hey, I'm not going to hate, man. There's nothing wrong with that. Would you be fun of someone for DCAing into Luna as it crashed? Yes. That's just trying to catch a falling knife, man. There's a difference between investing and, you know, trying to pick up something that's down like from $100 to 0.000000001 cents, right? There's a difference, you know. But yes, that's like the anti-FOMO. That's like trying to catch a falling knife, which I don't like that either, to be honest. You know what I'm saying? All right, ETH is trying to bounce back up. So we'll see what Ethereum does. 1206. Bitcoin's still holding up. Let's see. Scammed twice. I wonder how many people on Celsius were laughing at Luna holders. Probably a lot, man. Probably a lot. Oh, Becker. Oh, Becker, man. Sorry, man. I meant to do Becker. All right. Alex, come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Yep, get everything on, man. Get everything on. Yep. Let's get on your charade for the show. All right, here we go, guys. Here's Alex Becker. See you guys in a sec. All right, what's going on, guys? It's Alex Becker here. You guys are a bunch of fucking idiots because you guys are all bearish at the lows, man. You know, there's no reason to be bearish right now. You guys want to make money in crypto? It's freaking easy, man. Just stop being a freaking imbecile who lives with their mom in their basement and have some balls and buy the lows, all right? It's as simple as this, man. Have some freaking balls, bro. We go to the weekly chart for Bitcoin, right? All you freaking idiots wanted to buy up here, right? Every single one of you idiot viewers right now wanted to buy up here. But now you guys are a bunch of pencil necks and too scared to not buy the lows. All right. Now, I know I hate on Cardano, and listen, I'm the most jacked and I'm one of the most beautiful people on earth. Okay. But I still want to buy these lows. I want to make more money. And how do you do that? You continue to buy the lows, man. You guys are idiots. Like, look at what Bitcoin's done. Bitcoin's down about 75% from its highs. And you guys aren't going to pick it up right now. But everyone wanted to buy up here. All right. Now, screw the gaming tokens. We're going to talk about Bitcoin right now, man. This is what you guys should be doing. You guys are believing that even the FUD, you guys aren't buying low. It's absolutely ridiculous, bro. It's absolutely ridiculous. And you guys need to switch your thinking. Stop thinking like a pencil neck, okay? And you want to get out of your mom's basement and you want to be hot and sexy like me and have six-pack abs? Well, quite frankly, you need to buy at the lows, bro, okay? So that's it. Buy now, hold, okay? And it's going to come back up. And that's when you can start taking profits, all right? It's that freaking easy, man. Stop trying to make it this difficult thing. Buy low, sell high. It's not that difficult. All right? That's all I have for you guys today. Stop being fucking idiots. See ya. Thank you, Alex. Thank you, Alex. You are sexy, man. You are sexy, man. Thank you, Alex. Alex Becker's the best. No, I used to not like Alex Becker, but I actually do because he just tells it how it is, man. That's kind of how I am a lot of times. I always want to tell it how it is, like no filter. I think that's why I kind of like Alex now, because people are like, no, this guy's a fucking dick. Yeah, but at least he doesn't sugarcoat shit. He's not gonna sit here like everyone else and just go, oh yeah, man, like blah, blah. No, he's gonna tell you how it is, and he's right. Like a lot of things he says, he's a little bit drastic, but he's right, man. I mean, everyone wants to buy up here, no one wants to buy down here, right? It's really the same type of deal. He's not wrong, but yeah, he just says it how it is, bro. 6-pack abs. Let's see. This guy looks like he calls bluffs at the poker table and still folks. True. All right. Could you repeat that? I'm trying to write it all down. Start at most jacked. Oh Lord. Let's see. Am I outside? No, I'm not outside, man. What, do you hear wind? It's because I have a fan blowing on me because it's hot as shit. It's hot as shit here in New York right now. It's like 90 degrees today. Which you guys were saying, that's not hot. Okay, yeah, it's not that hot, okay? It's not that hot. But this one spot that I sit in right here gets so hot. My laptop just blows on me, okay? And that's how it is. The most woke empty house guy in crypto, you left that out. The most woke empty house guy. That's funny, man. All right, what else we got, guys? I mean, is everything else really going on? Like, I don't want to hop off because I feel like, you know, I know we're trying to bounce back up right now, but are we going to? You know, I don't want to really hop off. So I like the 1 hour time frame. See what's happening on Doji. All right, Doji. Little stopping volume candle there, right? Little stopping volume candle. Yellow vector popped up on the 15 minutes. Let's see. This is gonna come back down. What are we gonna do here for little Doji? For the Doge, that was really the only thing that moved right there. Everything else is kind of chilling. Just chilling like a damn villain, all right? At the moment, Bitcoin's not doing shiza. Ether doing shiza, all right? Doge, Sol trying to come back to still chilling. Everything's chilling, man. Everything is freaking chilling. Let's see. Fans don't work at max AC. Laptop learn from watching you. Oh, Brian, are you trying to say I'm hot? Are you trying to say the laptop is hot because I'm hot? Is that what you're trying to say, Brian? Listen, I normally wouldn't be flattered, but I'm flattered just because Brian Miller said it. Okay? I'm flattered, man. My wife's boyfriend said he is George. What? We never seen you, Jabba, or Bob in the same room together. I'm starting to get suspicious. What do you mean? He's right here. What do you mean, man? I'm right here. What are you trying to say? I'm right here. Look, Jordan's over here. I'm right here, man. Jabba's right here too. Yeah, I'm right here. What are you trying to say, man? We're all here. We're all watching the streams. I'm on the couch. Bob's on the couch. Right, Bob? Right? Yeah, I'm on the couch too with Java. Yeah. Yeah, we're all just chilling. They're all here, man. Don't be saying that. All right. We are just chilling like a villain. All right. Dude, I might call it a stream here because nothing ain't going down right now. Okay, nothing ain't going down. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a stream, man. It's Sunday night. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of what I have of the weekend, and I'll catch you guys bright and early tomorrow morning, man. Monday is usually the fun stuff, right? That's when we get down to the nitty gritty, right? On Mondays, right? Let's check out the stock market futures one more time here. See what we got going down. Obviously, I didn't see the stock video. NASDAQ futures still down. S&P, we'll see what they look like tomorrow, man. It's still too early to say on that. But looks like we're just kind of hitting a little period where maybe Bitcoin gets a bounce to the upside and we kind of just mosey around like we've been doing for how long? Past 3 days. just moseying around sideways. So I'll catch you guys later. 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's get pumped for the Monday weekly open, man. Mondays, sometimes we can get a little fishy. All right? So let's see what we open up tomorrow. All right? Adios, guys. Have a fantastic night. Don't do anything I would do. Don't panic sell your crypto. And I guess most of all, don't panic sell your crypto. And a Java only stream? That would be brutal, bro. But yeah, catch you guys later. All right? Adios, guys. Peace.